was the smartest person ever? Albert Einstein? Isaac Newton? No. There was once a man so smart he was deemed the greatest mathematician of all time. Carl Friedrich Gauss was born in the year 1777. However, the exact date was not recorded until the young Gauss quickly figured out the date of his birth, April 30th. One of the most famous stories about Gauss is this. In a school, the teacher gave her students a problem to keep them busy. The problem was, if you were to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, and so on and so forth, all the way to 100, what would be the sum? However, within a matter of minutes, an 8-year-old Gauss came to her with the answer, 5,050. The teacher was stunned and quickly checked Gauss's answer. He was right. Gauss had simply realized that the answer to this question could be found using the simple formula 101 times 100 divided by 2. To put Gauss's genius into perspective, he had an estimated 275 IQ. For reference, Albert Einstein, one of the smartest people to ever live, had an IQ of only 160. When Gauss was 55, he started working on the theory of terrestrial magnetism, which would ultimately lead to the first telegraph. I have a question. When you were researching for your choice project, did you come across any data from the internet? Well, if you did, there's a good chance that data had something to do with Gauss's method of least squares, which he first figured out when he was 18. The formula for this method is the minimum of the sum of I equals 1 to the n times yi minus yi hat squared. In fact, Gauss was so smart, they say if he published all of his work, which he did not, then mathematics would be 50 years ahead. But as they say, all good things must come to an end. And so, in 1855, at the age of 78, Gauss sadly died in his sleep. And so, if someone asks you, who's the smartest person ever, you know who to say. Carl Friedrich Gauss.